Hi all, I am Karthikeyan from Let's Be Useful channel, and today we are going to see how to take care of your front arch door handle, because it is having a frequent usage. Because of that, it will have wear and tear, and the replacement will be very costly. So I would like to give some tips with respect to this. I have a Hyundai Grand i10 car, and due to frequent usage of front right side door handle, some of the spare parts is broken inside, and I could not able to open it properly. So here I would like to give some tips. Let's go into the detail. This is actually for representation purpose. My actual car video will be attached to the lateral part of video, and this is what actually the front door right side handle. And usually what will happen, only driver come owner will use it frequently. So this will have an inner part. Actually, this is called crab. In this area is called crab set, and this is actually door set, door handle. So the complete assembly is called handle assembly. So what reputed service dealers are telling, you have to replace the entire handle. So I made some searches in the Google Doctor, so I could able to find some solution. So we'll go into the detail before understanding the uh, solution. So here here this crab set will have a stopper piece. This stopper, the purpose of this stopper is to stop the handle movement after some extent of the pulling. When you pull the handle from this area, one minute. When you pull that handle, this will come out. Without the stopper, it will come out entirely. So the crab set, the stopper of the crab set, what will happen, it will be here, and when you pull this, it will stop. After the handle, the plastic part which is attached to this handle will trigger the inside lock to open that. After that, it will stop here. That is what the purpose of this stopper. If the stopper is broken, it will come out entirely, and you may not be able to open or close properly from outside. Then you have to access another door to open it, and it will be very tiresome. So what we have to do, in order to replace this, there are two ways. One is, you have to replace the specific part, this one, and this is not coming with the chromium coating. Actually, original part is with the chrome coat, and this part is not available with chrome coat, because this spare parts manufacturing is stopped, I heard, coating. And the chromium coating can be done by some sticker people out from the outside market. Actually, why we are representing that to replace the crab set instead of the entire handle, the cost of total handle assembly is 3,643 rupees, and the crab set cost is only 81 rupees. I got it from outside market, and I was getting it around 250 rupees. So if you go for Budma, it will take 10 days to reach you. So after buying the spares from outside market, I located this spare app. That is why I am recommending you. How I managed in my car, actually, if you see, this is what the original chrome plated crab set. This is from the rear door. To represent you, I have taken it, and when you pull this handle, the movement will be stopped here by this stopper. and this is what my front door arch side. This is what I managed. I managed through one of my friend who is working in a reputed automotive company, and he fixed a plastic part in this area, and that is also can be done. If it is viable, it can be done. If you know that, and your mechanic can able to do it properly, you can do it, but it might not uh, stand for a long time. It will take maybe temporary. You can manage it till you get the spares. And how you have to take precautionary measures, and how to take care of this one. And whenever you pull it very gently after smart key opening, or after you press that particular button, so that it will have long last life. Park in safe area. Do not park near children play area. What I used to do, I usually park in nearby park area, so that the children used to meddle with this handle. They will pull and play. So what will happen? This will damage your stopper. In long run, why it has happened in front door? Because front door will have more impact. You will also be using, and the children also are playing, so it will have more frequency of operation. So it is failed. Don't allow kids to meddle with your door handle. When you park outside, the children may meddle with your door handle. Stop them, and don't apply sudden or enormous force. Don't apply any enormous force when you pull it. Be it very gently. That is what the first point also. Why I am reiterating this point, in order to save this. Replacement cost is very high. This is what the car, my car, and this is what the managed front door, RH side door. You can see this, and this is how I managed with the plastic part. And this is actually the original OEM, original nickel coated craft set with stopper, undamaged. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this video if you like, and comment if you have any other comment with respect to this video, so that I will give you the best. Thank you.